Hey friends, welcome back. Today we've got you a great news. That is Airtel's 5G network. We've been wondering about the 5G network in India. Already countries like USA, China and South Korea are using it. Recently, our very own Indian company Airtel demonstrated its 5G network in Hyderabad. Airtel has announced that it had become the first telecom company to successfully demonstrate live 5G service over a commercial network in Hyderabad. Taking on Reliance Jio, the New Delhi-based telco stated that it operated 5G and 4G at the same time over the existed liberalized spectrum in 1800 MHz band through NSA network technology. Airtel 5G is touted to deliver 10 times the speed of existing network technologies, allowing users to download a full-length movie in a matter of seconds on a 5G phone. Airtel worked with its equipment partner Ericsson to enable this new experience. The operator claimed that it had the capability to operate its 5G network over existing neutral technology spectrum in mid-bands that are 1800 MHz, 2100 MHz and 2300 MHz frequency, alongside the sub-gigahertz bands available at 800 MHz and 900 MHz. The transition to 5G is available through software upgrades over the existing network infrastructure. Airtel has used state-of-the-art massive multiple input multiple output technology, which is also called as MIMO, which is a key enabler for 5G networks. As one of the few commercial deployment of massive MIMO globally, the deployment puts India on the world map of technology advancement and digital revolution. Massive MIMO is a key enabler and foundation for technology revolutions to come. It is a pre-5G technology that will make the network future ready for meeting the data demand coming from digital revolution and data explosion in India. Customers can enjoy free data speeds on existing 4G mobile devices without any upgrades or plan change. Massive MIMO deployment uses green technology and thus helps reduce carbon footprint. Massive MIMO creates 3D beams both on horizontal and vertical planes towards users located within its coverage footprint. This helps in improving coverage and reducing interference across users in different beams, thereby improving signal quality. Serving multiple users by reusing same set of resource blocks with improved signal quality helps in improving user experience, cell capacity and spectrum efficiency. If permitted by the Department of Telecom, Airtel stated that it could operate its 5G and 4G networks dynamically within the same spectrum block and is ready to deploy 5G in a matter of months. However, the operator didn't provide any specific timeline on the commercial rollout of its 5G network in the country. For the 5G demonstration, Airtel used Oppo Reno 5 Pro and Oppo Find X2 Pro smartphones. The operator said that over 20 commercially available 5G phones in the country would be ready for Airtel 5G. Existing users also not required to upgrade their existing SIM card to get this next generation network experience on their compatible handsets. In December, Airtel's arch rival and India's biggest telecom network Jio announced that it would start rolling out its 5G service in the country. The operator also promised to test its 5G network at scale, though it is yet to demonstrate its offering to the public. Airtel's 5G demonstration is live at select stores in Hyderabad. Well, the reviews of the 4G internet of Airtel is not up to the mark, as it has mixed responses because it doesn't provide good signals across the country. But let's hope that they do a better job with the 5G internet. It is not yet announced when it will be publicly available. We'll update you soon. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and want more informative content like this, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for all the updates. You can also let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.